Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 3 from exercise 3. The topic you can see on your screen, points of intersection of two circles. This is the part of your ADMath new topic, coordinate geometry of the circles. So after question number 3, we are going to start question number 4, which is very important question according to examination point of view. So let's start question number 4. It has 4 parts. I just copied 2 parts, and after part B I will do part C and part D as well. A circle C1 has equation C1. The name of the circle is C1, has equation x square plus y square minus 10x plus 4y is equals to 71. So we can write the circle in general form: x square plus y square minus 10x plus 4y negative 71 is equals to 0. Part A. Find the coordinates of the center of C1 and the size of its radius. So how to find the coordinates of center? Coordinates of the center of C1. We have 2g is equals to minus 10 and 2f is equals to 4, g is equals to negative 5, f is equals to 2. So coordinate of center C1 is negative g, which is minus plus 5, and negative f plus minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is the center of the circle C1. The second requirement is to find the size of the radius. The formula of the radius is r, we can say r1 is equals to g square minus 5 square plus f square 2 square minus c. C is the constant term in the given equation of the circle, which is minus 71. So minus plus 71. R1 is equals to minus 5 square is 25 plus 2 square is 4 plus 71. Add all three terms, you will get 100 square root. So R1 is 10. The size of the radius of circle C1 is 10. So first requirement has fulfilled. Coordinates of the center of circle C1 is 5 comma minus 2 and the size of the radius of circle C1 is 10. Now the next part is another circle C2 is centered at the point with coordinates minus 4, 10. So second circle C2 coordinate is minus 4 comma 10 and radius you can say R2 with respect to C2 is 5. What is the requirement? Show that C1 and C2 touch each other. So we have to show that both circle R touches each other. You know, circle touches each other in two ways, externally or internally. So first find the distance between both the centers of the circle, that is C1, C2. So you have coordinates C1 5 minus 2 and coordinate C2 is minus 4 comma 10. So 5 plus 4, just use distance formula, and minus 2 minus 10 whole square, square root. 5 plus 4 is 9 square, 81. Minus 2 minus 10 minus 12 square is positive 144. 144, 81 is 225 square root, and square root of 225 is 15. Now what I told you that two circles touches each other in one of two ways, internally or externally. So if the distance between the centers is equals to the sum of the radii of both the circles r1 plus r2, then the circle touches each other externally. What is our answer of C1 and C2? Distance between both the centers of the circles is 15. R1 radius we have find 10. R2 is given 5. 15 is equals to 15. So you may say circles C1 and C2 touches externally. Proof. And if the distance between the centers of the circle is equals to the difference between the radii of the circles, then the circles touches internally to each other. But in this case, circle touches externally. So this is part B. But there are two more parts of this question. I am copying. These are two parts. The two circles C1 and C2 touch each other, obviously C1 and C2, at the point P, and the straight line L is the common tangent of C1 and C2. Part C. Determine the coordinates of P. So in order to find the point of intersection between two circles, just equate the equation of the circles. So first equation of the circle, which is given in the question, x square plus y square minus 10x plus 4y minus 71 is equals to the second equation of the circle. Students, second equation is not given, but you can easily write the second equation because the center and the radius of second circle both are given. So the second equation must be x, and center is minus 4, so minus minus plus 4 square plus y minus 10 square, and the radius is 5, so it is minus 25 because r square is 25. I can give you the short description over here. Look at this. This is not part of the solution. I am just explaining you. You have center C2 minus 4 and 10, and you have radius R2 is 5. So you have to use x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square. Here a is minus 4 and b is 10 and r is 5. So if you put the values of a and b in the given equation, this is called the standard equation of a circle. You will get the same answer which I am going to write. So x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 10 whole square minus 25 is the equation of second circle C2. So after equating, start to Simplify and make the equation of a straight line, because both the squares terms should be cancelled. X minus 4 whole square is x square minus 8x plus 16. I have used a minus b whole square formula. So x, kindly wait, x is minus 4, so obviously minus minus plus 4, and we have to put plus over here, plus y minus 10 whole square, y square minus 20y plus 100 and minus 25. See carefully, x square cancelled by x square, y square cancelled by y square. So on right hand side, this is 8x. This minus 10x shift over here, it will be plus 10x. Similarly, this is minus 20y. This plus 4y should be shift over here, it is minus 4y. Is equals to 100 plus 16 minus 25. Kindly wait. Okay. So 100 plus 16 minus 25 is plus 91. And this minus 71 should shift it over there, it is plus 71, and the remaining on left hand side is 0. More simplification, 8x plus 10x is 18x, minus 20y minus 4y is minus 24y, and 91 plus 71 is 162 plus 162 is equals to 0. You can simplify this linear equation, divide the whole equation by 6 in order to solve easily. 6 3s are 18x, 6 4s are 24y, and 162 upon 6 is 27. You can check if you have any confusion. Now make x or y as a subject of the given formula. So 3x is equals to negative 4y is plus 4y, plus 27 is negative 27, or x is equals to 4y minus 27 upon 3. You can say this is equation number 1. Put this equation number 1 in any one of the equation of the circle, C1 or C2. I am putting this in C1. So what is C1? First we have to write x square plus y square minus 10x plus 4y minus 71 is equals to 0. X square, it is 4y minus 27 upon 3 whole square plus y square minus 10. X, 4y minus 27 upon 3 plus 4y minus 71 is equals to 0. Now expand 4y minus 27 whole square with the help of a minus b whole square formula. So 4y square is 16y square minus 4 into 2 into 27, 216y, plus 27 square is 729 upon 3 square is 9, minus 10 4s are 40y, and 10 minus 10 into minus 27 is 270 upon 3 plus 4y minus 71 is equals to 0. Taking 9 as an entire LCM, so it is 16y square minus 216y plus 729 minus 3 3 is a 9, 3 into 40 is 120y, and plus 3 into 270, it is 810, 9 4 the 36y, and 9 multiplied by 71 is 639 is equals to 0. 16, wait, oh sorry, one terms I forgot to write, that is this one, y square. So where I have to adjust this, please don't mind, I forgot. Okay, I am putting over here plus y square, and obviously 9 into y square is 9y square. Okay, now this will be very simple. So 16y square and 9y square is 25y square. Okay, minus 216y minus 120y and plus 36, it is minus 300y, and 729 plus 810 minus 639, it is plus 900, and this 9 of denominator must be multiplied by 0, so it is 9 into 0, 0. Now if we divide the whole equation by 25, 25, 25, so it is y square minus 12y plus 36 is equals to 0. This is a simplest quadratic equation. So y square minus 6y minus 6y plus 36 is equals to 0. Y minus 6 minus 6. So minus 6 and y minus 6 is equals to 0. Y minus 6, y minus 6 is equals to 0. So the value of y is, from over here, is 6. So how to find the value of x? Put this value of x in equation number 1, that is x is equals to 4y minus 27 upon 3. Okay, so what was the value of x from equation number 1? X is equals to 4y minus 27 upon 3. So x is equals to 4 into y. Y is 6 minus 27 upon 3. 4 6 are 24 minus 27 upon 3. And it is minus 3 upon 3, that is x is equals to minus 1. Hence, the requirement of the question, what was the requirement? See this, the two circles touch each other at the point P and the straight line L is the common tangent of C1 and C2. Determine the coordinates of P. So our coordinates of P are coordinates of P x is minus 1, y is 6. Answer. Hope you enjoy the question. And after this, before I read part 8, I want to show graphically both the equations of the circles. See this. The blue one is the x square plus y square minus 10x plus 4y minus 71 is equals to 0. This is circle C1, and x square plus y square plus 8x minus 20y plus 91 is equals to 0. This is circle C2. Both the circles touches externally, you can see graphically, and both the circle touches only one point. Okay, what is last part? Show that an equation of line L is 4y is equals to 3x plus 27. Very easy. We have two centers, 5 minus 2 and C2 is minus 4 comma 10. So if I find, this is part D, if I find the gradient of C1 and C2, 10 plus 2 upon minus 4 minus 5, so 12 upon minus 9, 4 3s are 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So it is minus 4 upon 3. This is the line which join both the centers. I will show you graphically. And we have to find the equation of tangent L. Obviously this line must be perpendicular to the tangent line. So you can say that gradient of C1 C2 multiplied by gradient of the line tangent line is equals to minus 1. So this is minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by ML is equals to minus 1. ML is equals to 3 upon 4. So gradient is 3 upon 4, and we have already find the point of intersection between the circle C1 and C2, which is minus 1 comma 6. So by using slope point form of the equation, which is y minus y1 is equals to gradient time x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 6, gradient of ML we have find 3 upon 4, x minus x1 minus minus plus. 4 into y 4y, 4 6 are 24 is equals to 3x plus 3. So 4y is equals to 3x plus 3, and this minus 24 shifted over there, it is 24. So 4y is equals to 3x plus 27. This is the requirement proved or shown. What was the requirement? See again. Show that an equation of L is 4y is equals to 3x plus 27. So this is the whole question, and now I am going to show you in picture format overall x square plus y square minus 10x plus 4y minus 71 is equals to 0. First equation of the circle. The second equation was x square plus 8x plus y square plus 8x minus 20y plus 91 is equals to 0. And the third straight line, we just proved that the straight line of the common tangent is 4y is equals to 3x plus 27. So you can see the blue one is circle C1, the black one circle C2, and the tangent L. I hope after seeing this diagram carefully you can easily understand what is the mechanism, or I may say what's going on graphically. So both the circles touches only one point, that is 6 comma minus 1, and minus 1 comma 6, and the line L1 L, which is a tangent of both the circles. So only one common point. Hope you understand today's class, where we did question number 4. How many questions are left? Only 2 questions are left for exercise 3. No issue, I will do each and every question. So I am doing very hard work for you students. What you have to do for me, you have to subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.